Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix NVIDIA GeForce Experience error code colon 0x0003 in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and then go with Device Manager. Once you have opened your device manager, please expand it first. And this time you need to look for display adapters. Just have to select on it. Once you have selected display adapters, just have to click this forward arrow and you need to go with your graphic cards. Now here under display adapters, you would be able to see all the available graphic cards in your Windows or computer. Now here's the catch. You need to identify the NVIDIA graphics. In my case, I don't have such, but in your case, you have that since you're facing an error and since you have installed it in your Windows. Just have to select it. Let's say, for example, this is the NVIDIA graphics. Just have to do a right click, go with Update Driver. Now here in this small window, it will opt you to choose two options. You need to go with the first one, which is search automatically for drivers. And if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then simply close this window and might as well this device manager. Okay? Once you're done, we need to proceed to our second step. Our second step will be here at the bottom search bar, we need to type for services. The moment you've typed it, a system called services itself will appear. Please click on open to continue. And just have to wait until this new window called services will appear. Here you need to select any of the service and system and type in so that you would be redirected to the service or system starting with letter N. Now here you need to identify this four system or services which are NVIDIA Display Container LS, NVIDIA FrameView Space SDK Space Service, NVIDIA Space Local System or Container, Space Container, and NVIDIA WMI Provider. Just have to identify all of these four, okay? And you need to change the startup type into automatic. How you can do that, okay? So let's say, for example, this is the one of the NVIDIA system, okay? I'm just stating you an example here since I'm not getting any service and system in my services. But in your case, you have that since you have installed your NVIDIA. Okay, just have to do a right click, go with properties, and then change the startup type into automatic. How you can do that? Click on here and then go with automatic, and then click on apply and then okay. Okay, so that's how you can do it. Just have to identify all these four services or system, and you just have to make sure that all of the startup type is in automatic. And once you're done, simply close this window, which is the services, and then you need to restart your computer. Okay. Once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. And let's if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our third step. Okay. So our third step will be at the start icon, we need to do a right click and then go with settings. Click on it. Okay, so the moment you have opened your settings, you need to proceed directly to applications. And this time you need to go with installed apps. Okay. So here at the installed apps, this would be the list of your application listed or present in your Windows or computer. Just have to wait until the load will be done, and once it is being ready, just have to scroll down and look for NVIDIA application. Okay, once you have defined it, just have to click the three dots and click on uninstall and click on uninstall again to confirm. And your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just proceed with yes so that you would be able to finish the process. Okay. Click on uninstall to confirm and then close this once it is being done. Okay. Once it is being removed here at the computer under the list of applications, we need to bring up any of our favorite browser or whatever browser do we have in our Windows. Just have to double tap that to open. In my case, I'll be going to Google Chrome. I'll be using such. Just have to expand it. And here at the search bar, you need to type for GeForce download. and then click on enter the moment you have typed it, and wait until you are being redirected to the list of results. Okay, so here you need to proceed to the very first, which is download the GeForce now. Okay, and just have to click on reject optional, which is optional. And here you need to look for an option where you can download such. Okay, so it has these options actually where you can launch it in a browser. Okay, you can use it in a browser. You can also use it in the Windows, and you can also use it in a Mac and a Chromebook. And since we'll be installing it in the Windows or computer, so we'll be proceeding to search. Okay, click on it. And the moment you've the click on it, you'd be redirected to this downloading of the GeForce Now. Okay, just have to wait until it'll be in downloaded in your Windows. It only contains 166 megabyte data or size in your computer. So basically, it will only takes a lesser amount of space in your Windows. Okay, just have to download and install the such, and then check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.